Welcome to Press. In this video, I will show you how to add Spotify music to OBS Studio. Whether you are live streaming or recording videos, you can easily play background music while using OBS. I'll also show you the better method that lets you capture Spotify separately from your desktop audio in OBS. This process is almost the same on both Windows and Mac, so no matter which operating system you are using, you can follow along. Let's get started. First, go to Spotify website, spotify.com, and download this Spotify app for your operating system. Click Install App, and then download it. You can also go to Microsoft Store and download Spotify directly from there. Open Microsoft Store, search Spotify, and install it. Once it's installed, open Spotify. Now go to your favorite playlist and start playing some music. Before you continue, keep one important thing in mind. If you are streaming or uploading videos to platforms like YouTube, be careful with copyrighted music. If you want to avoid copyright claims, search for copyright-free music. For example, you can search for NCS or other royalty-free music playlists. You can also search YouTube audio library and play music from there. Let's play this music. Now open OBS Studio. You will already have a scene. And inside that scene, you should have your video and audio sources added in this sources panel. I already have several sources here. Then take a look at the desktop audio meter in the audio mixer. If you see the green bar moving, that means OBS is already capturing everything you are hearing on your computer, including Spotify. If that's all you need, you are done. You can simply use desktop audio to include your Spotify music. But if you want more control, there's a better option. You can capture Spotify as a separate audio source. This allows you to control the Spotify volume independently and even record it on a separate audio track. To do that, first I'll mute the desktop audio. Then I'll click plus button in the sources panel. Select application audio capture. Give the source any name you like and hit OK. Now from the application list, choose the Spotify app. Click OK. That's it. If you see the audio meter moving for this new source, it means OBS is successfully capturing Spotify separately. Now you can adjust its volume independently from your desktop audio, making it much easier to manage your stream or recording. When you use multiple audio sources, make sure you go to Options and then assign separate track to each audio source. One track for one audio source. So as you can see, track 2 is capturing desktop audio. Mic is being recorded in track 1. And for Spotify, I will assign track 3. I will disable all other tracks for Spotify because I don't want Spotify audio to appear in all those audio tracks. You will see these separate audio tracks when you will import your video in video editor like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Click Close and also go to Settings, Output, Recording. Make sure you have enabled 3 audio tracks from here, but you should do this before recording. Then you'll have 2 separate audio tracks in your recording, one for mic and the other for Spotify. And for me, I have disabled desktop audio. But main thing is you have to add a source and then from the window, select Spotify app. And that is how you can add Spotify music to OBS Studio either through desktop audio or as a separate application audio source for better control. Okay, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more OBS Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.